Hey folks, it's Mark at the Safe House. It's a cold day here in Nashville, and we're going to talk about Fort Knox safes today. And a question that I've had, so Fort Knox has raised their fire rating, so they're going to have some of the best fire ratings, which they did before, but they've raised them even higher. So there's 4 different levels of fire rating. This particular safe is a protector that we custom ordered for a customer. It's got the 3/4 inch interior gun configuration. And then he did a metal upgrade, which Fort Knox is known for. They can customize your safe, do Armanox 500, extra steel, torch shield, everything like that. But what I'm going to talk about right now is their fire ratings. So they went from basically having 2 fire ratings to 4 fire ratings. So their highest fire rating, which is what this one has, is a 2.5 hour, 1800 degree fire test. And I just had a customer, I was talking to him yesterday about this, and he asked me, well, how did Fort Knox get that extra fire rating? Well, of course, they put more fireboard in their safes, so it gives them more fire rating. So right now, their top fire rating is a 2.5 hour, 1800 degree test on their safe. And then if you look at their scale here, they go to a 1700 two-hour fire rating, which is still excellent. And then something similar to what they used to have, they've got a 1600 hour-and-a-half fire rating, and then their entry-level safes, which is about everybody's middle rated safes, is 1500 for an hour. So they've got four fire ratings. That's easy for me to say. 4 fire ratings now, from 2.5 hours, 1800 degrees, down to 1 hour at 1500 degrees. So Fort Knox, one of the best safes, if not the best safe on the market. Now they have the best fire ratings out there. So if you have a question about a Fort Knox safe, any customization, fire rating, sizes, give us a call at one of our 3 locations. Go to the website right down there, like and subscribe our videos, and if you have any questions, just get in touch with us.